All right, so you have to open up your vocabulary journal, which I know that you can do all on your own. So go ahead and get to your vocabulary journal so you see the front page just like this. Then you're going to scroll down to your newest slide and you're going to write today's date. And the first word, which you know is the academic vocabulary word, and it is retell. Now, obviously, the definition is up on the focus wall, so if you would like to copy that definition, you're welcome to. But let's see what else the definition could be. Definition of retell. Tell a story again or differently. I think that seems really good. Retell. Tell a story again. I think that goes really well. Or you can write what it says on the board. I'm going to write tell a story again in a different way, because usually when you retell the story, it's like a summary. Okay, we're finished with this slide. Now, make sure that you go look up a definition for retell as well. If you would like to pause, go ahead and pause and fill out your retell. Write it in the way that it makes the most sense to you. Then we'll move on to the next one. Remember, you're always going to change the date, 3/9/20. And then you're going to write the next word. The next word is, I forgot the next word. The next word is antagonist. Now we're going to go back to our definition and search the definition of antagonist. A person who actively opposes or is hostile to someone or something, an adversary. So an antagonist is someone who actively opposes. So someone who is the opposition. An antagonist in a story is the character who messes things up, like the villain of the story, the one who comes and causes all the problems. So they're hostile to someone. They're causing the problems. So I think I'm going to put my definition as someone who causes problems in a story. You can write whatever definition makes the most sense to you. If you want to write a person who actively opposes or is hostile to someone, that's totally fine. So go ahead and pause it and write your own definition. Remember, we're only writing the word and the definition, the meaning today. Tomorrow you'll write the sentence. When you're done with that, go ahead and go to the next one. Date, again, 3/9/20. And the final word, which is anxious. I know a lot of you probably know what this means because we've talked about feeling anxious before. So let's look up what the definition is. The definition says, experiencing worry, unease, or nervousness, typically about an imminent event or something with an uncertain outcome. Or wanting something very much, typically with a feeling of unease. So both of them say they're about worry or unease. So I'm going to put this definition right here, experiencing worry or unease or nervousness. So I'm going to put it in my own words, experiencing worry or nervousness. Because anxious people can be anxious about something that's certainly going to happen or just about life in general, right? Sometimes you're just anxious and you don't even know why. So we are going to put those three things. Go ahead and pause it and add your own definition for anxious right now. So you should now have a word for retell and a meaning for retell, word and meaning. You should now have a word antagonist and its meaning. And you should now have a word anxious and its meaning. And then you are all finished. So go ahead and move on to the next step, but only after you've put those three things. And you're not putting the sentence, and you're not putting the sketch, and you're not putting the chant. Good luck.